Boom, 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 full. Brrr. So shoot a couple rounds semi and then go over to full.
Okay, where do I hold it up here? Here?
No, don't hold it by the magazine, hold it by that.
Okay.
It'll climb a little bit, but it's not bad.
Sweat.
Pretty awesome.
Shot?